What's up everybody, Moritz here from Section Store once again, and as you can see right here, I'm into one of my test stores and I'll be reviewing one of my sections today, and this FAQ section right here. I think it is a really nice way to bring your customers to some information they were worrying about or asking themselves about. It does work like this. You have all those tabs above here, and if you click on one, it's simply going to scroll to the certain position you want to. And the installation is super easy as well. It works fully dynamic, and you can easily start in a couple easy steps, and I'm going to show you how you can get right into it. Okay, first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store, where I did get the Section Store app. You can get that one completely for free in the App Store. And after that, I headed on over to the Explore Sections area of the app, and I was looking for FAQ 8. That is the one we will be using today. It comes with a one-time charge of $9. It means if you bought it once, you'll also own it forever. No hidden subscription fees. You're not going to need a own developer because you will have all the customization options in the world. So this is a big time saver. Okay, after successfully getting the section, let's head back to the My Sections area of the app, where we have to do one last thing, and that is to add the section to the theme we're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Live theme, but it does work on every theme. And then simply just open up the theme editor you're using. Another nice thing about this one, even after installing the section and the app, you can still delete the app after you've done that step, because it's simply gonna keep the code inside the backend of your store. So this is one nice thing, and it will make sure that it's not gonna slow your store down. So if you worry about that, don't be no more. Okay, let's have a look up to this. And this is the one we had a look at in the beginning of the video. If you would want to start completely from scratch, I just type in FAQ 8 here, and that is the one we are talking about. And as you can see right here, we have a lot of blocks showing up right here. And the way this operates is like this. So if I click on add block right here, I can either decide if I want to have a category or an item. Category is going to be, for example, product shipping, whatever you name it. I'm just going to go for example right here. So you can see example, and if I add a block right now, item, and another item, we already should be able to get ourselves a little example. So yeah, here we have the example with the three things, and here in the answer thing, we can simply write it, and here we have the question over the top. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay, and if we click on it, we can see straight away it's gonna open this up, and this is working perfectly fine. So let's save it up, and with that being done, I can already show you how you can do some more generalization, customizations to the whole thing. So let's continue with the one we saw in the beginning of the video, and if I click on the main block itself, you can see right here, we've got a lot of customization options we could do to the whole thing. For example, paddings, and a lot more customization options you can do to the whole thing, but I'm not going to go into detail too much. I just want to show you one last thing you can do, and that is to change all the colors, for example. So if I would want the button text to be in a different color, I could do that as well, of the tabs and maybe the hover color. So I'm just going to show you how this would look like. So we would end up with something like this, and this does apply to all the items and blocks inside the section. So yeah, let's just give this a final little save up, have a final look at it in the live version, give it a reload right here, and see if our changes actually worked. So if we hover over it, we can see our colors got changed, and here we still have all the functionalities of the block itself. And yeah, I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.